Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the process of painting a bumper. I am a mechanic in training, and I'm going to be painting for the first time. I will be using an electric spray gun to paint the bumpers of this car. As you can see, the current color of the bumpers is silver, and there are some scratches on them. That is why I want to repaint them. I am also going to change the color of the bumpers to gray. I have no experience with paint jobs, so this is my first time. I hope I can learn more along the way. First, before taking off the bumper, I will disconnect the negative terminal of the car battery. The reason for this is that when removing the bumper, I have to disconnect the wiring for the indicator lights, and I don't want any exposed wires touching and causing a short circuit. On a car battery, the minus sign indicates the negative terminal. I am going to disconnect it using a 10mm combination spanner. Okay, in the background, I have disconnected the negative terminal and taken the bumpers off the car. This is the rear bumper, and I have masked off the license plate. You can see a lot of scratches here. I am going to sand them and try to make them as smooth as possible. This is the mudguard of my car. I took it off earlier and screwed the fasteners back together so they won't get lost. Here is the front bumper, which I have masked off as well. For safety equipment, I will be using this safety mask and these safety goggles. First, I will sand using 80 grit sandpaper. Then, I will move up to 100 grit sandpaper. After that, I will use 220 grit sandpaper to make it even smoother. Finally, I will finish off with 320 grit sandpaper. I have finished sanding the bumper. Now, I'm going to wet the ground in my working area so dust and dirt won't fly around and stick to the bumper while I'm spraying. I ordered this electric sprayer from Darrah's. This is the primer I am going to use. I mix the primer and thinner together in a 1:1 ratio. Once again, I am wetting the environment to prevent dust from blowing onto the fresh paint. Now everything is set up in the background, and I'm going to start spraying the primer onto the bumper. Note, here, I applied some body filler to cover up a few deep cracks in the bumper. I will sand it down smooth once it dries and then apply another coat of primer. I have already painted the bumper with the grey color. As you can see, there is quite a bit of orange peel texture here because the electric sprayer wasn't strong enough. However, since this is my first time painting, I am still quite happy with how it turned out. Now I have already reinstalled the bumpers onto the car. Here are the before and after results. I will be posting more videos like this in the future, so please subscribe.